Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Bolton. Today I want to let you know about this gorgeous BMW X4 SUV that is now available at our dealership. This of course is the M Sport model powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with the xDrive 4-wheel drive system. In terms of equipment, where to begin? Stunning LED headlights are complemented by LED daytime running lights, and finished in this white paint, the car looks absolutely beautiful. This particular model also comes with a number of factory-fitted extras, such as these 21-inch alloy design wheels with the bicolour Orbit grey finish. They look really great and they give a nice contrast against the lighter white paint with the privacy tinted windows. The optional Shadowline roof rails in black are also available, and the rear cabin will boast plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers. Finished in this stunning red leather upholstery, it also offers a center armrest with cup holders, independent rear air vents and climate control, and 2 ISOFIX child anchor points, making this a great long-distance cruiser or a holiday vehicle. Moving towards the rear of the cabin, full LED tail technology will be on offer, with stunning redesigned lower bumper and twin exhaust pipes. For added comfort and convenience, the power opening and closing tailgate is great when your hands are full, revealing a massive boot space. Easily swallowing 5, maybe even 6 large suitcases. You can always create more space by folding the rear seats 40-20-40 split, and there is addition of a 12-volt socket for any other uses you may want to do. Closing the boot simply requires a press of a button. Moving towards the front of the cabin, I'll give you a quick glimpse of what can be found and expected. Beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel with an upgraded Sports M Sport steering wheel, as well as a large touch-sensitive screen are just some of the key highlights. Front seats are really sporty and offer a bucket-like feel for maximum comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction into this BMW X4's exterior. Let's now get inside the cabin to find out a bit more. Once behind the wheel, you won't want to get out. Everything's beautifully stitched and finished and has a solid-like feel to it, and there's even the benefit of a Harman Kardon sound system for those music lovers amongst you, as well as automatic light and rain-sensitive wipers. Multifunction steering wheel can operate voice control and Bluetooth from the right, with the left side operating cruise control. In the center, the optionally fitted digital cockpit system can be truly personalized and control key vehicle information when on the move as well. In the center, the large infotainment screen can be operated via the iPilot system and comes with loads on offer. Starting from left to right, all your radio needs and AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception will also boast a number of other source media outputs. Various vehicle communication systems to pair your phone and BMW assistants can be operated, and the sat-nav will also make sure you never get lost. Mapping is crystal clear, and it really boasts a very nice view as well, given that it's widescreen. Other great systems will also operate the connected drive system, which you can use as an option, and use various other systems to check on the weather and use when you're traveling further afield. Various vehicle settings and also notifications will also be available, and to help with parking, front and rear sensors will be complemented by a color reverse parking camera system. Moving down the cabin, there is an easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system to keep you warm, complemented by heated front seats both for the driver and the passenger. Loads of cabio storage is available for cup holders, as well as storage for your phone and a USB connector to make sure your device is always topped up at all times. This has been a presentation of the BMW X4 M Sport that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership. To find out more, get in touch with our sales team now on 01204 828 649. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we very much look forward to hearing from you.